Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do the flash warning trend on Instagram. It's super simple, so if this video helps you out, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos just like this. So let's start. First, what you have to do is go to the search tab and go to this profile. Now when you go there, you can just click on this option. That's the option for effects, and now you can use the flash warning effects. Now let's click on the first one, and what you have to do is either try it or download it. So let's save it to our camera. Let's save both, and let's see how to use them. So the way to get this effect is just to try it, and now when you hold, you have to wait a couple seconds, then the faces appear at the left and you start flashing. And that's basically how you do it. It's super simple. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos just like this. See you in the next one.